Hello YouTube, this is XXXman360 here, and today I have a file called Color.exe, which is a file used for pranking purposes. Now I just want to put a disclaimer that this file contains flashing colors, and if you're sensitive to that, I suggest you go otherwise. Other than that, for the rest of my viewers who want to go for a few tricks today, I've got something for you. So we open up Color, and we get hello, this is going to be here for something, I just don't know yet. Seems like that's just about it. However, if we add some parameters to it, with the word eyes, we get to our little Caesar here. This is going to be the reason you go blind, isn't it? And it's most likely right. And we can't exactly, we can minimize it, but we can't close it because it comes back, and any program we try to open just gets sent behind. Internet Explorer is going to do the same. See, we can try to bring it to the front, but then it gets taken over by this, and it'll start to mess with the other windows too. The only way you can get out of it is just to sign out. So I hope you'd save your work before then. So we sign back in, and everything should be back to normal. Now how we can make this work when we first click on it, we're going to have to right click on the program. We're going to create shortcut. We're going to get this shortcut thing. We're going to edit it by hitting properties. Then where we see target, just add a space and type eyes next to it to give that parameter, which will bring up the colors. And then hit change icon to, I don't know, let's do something cliche like Internet Explorer. We're going to OK, and then we'll rename it to Internet Explorer. Now when they open it, I mean it looks different than the real IE, but who cares? When they open it, instead of getting their web browser, they're going to get something that kills their eyes and makes them die slowly. And they'll be like, ah, I got a virus, and they're going to try to close it, but no avail, as it'll just sneak up and come right back on them. Oh, yep. Right there. So yeah, if you want to have fun with this, go right ahead. If you just want this to wash out some cancer thing you just saw, go right ahead and use it for that too. See you guys later. Hope you have a good rest of the day. And if you do use this prank, tell me your story and how the reaction was. Bye!